Hello, Physics 101, College 1 Physics. I will be your instructor this semester. My name is Glenda De Nicolo. So this is a message to introduce myself and to show you how to access our classes that will be done live, online, during real time. The first step is to go to the website of the college and log in into my SCCC. So as you log in, you go to Suffolk Online and then click on Suffolk Online again. Click on Login in Blackboard, and this is it. This is what you need to do many times. Now here in Blackboard, there are two tabs that will be important for you. One is courses. That's what we'll be doing soon. It's the one you use the most. But also in the future, you want to access the office hours of faculty and also tutoring help center. We have that. And you will access that through this tab here called Community. There's more instruction on how to do that in Blackboard. Later, I'll show you where. So for our everyday classes, etc., you're going to go to courses. What you use the most is courses. So let's go there, courses. What you see now is my view, it's my account, but you will also have a list of the courses you're taking at Suffolk. And you're going to click on this respective course. It's Physics 101, and the catalog code for our course is 90096. This is an important number to remember, 90096, so that's our course. So you click there. Very good, and that's what you're going to see right when you come in, is the announcement page, etc. So in the announcement page, the first thing I've done is I posted a picture of our schedule throughout the semester. This is extracted from your course outline. From the 7th page, there are 8 pages in our course outline. So the 7th page is a page with the schedule. And so you see here on Wednesday, September 2nd is our first lectures, our first class. So we'll be going through an introduction of the course, and also we'll go over chapter 1 of your textbook. Then our next class will be Wednesday, September 9, and we'll be going over sections 2.1 to 2.6 of your textbook. Homework 1 here in orange is due on Saturday, September 12th. Your first lab will be on Monday, September 14. Your first test is on Monday, September 28, and so on. So this outline is important to have printed if you have a printer, but have it always easily accessible to keep track of what's happening. It's your responsibility to keep track of what's happening. All right, so where do you find this course outline? Right here, all these links are available to you right now. So if you go here, course outline and instructor and PA schedule, so that's what you see. So the course outline is basically our contract during the semester. It has 8 pages, and I want you to go through this when you can. So in this video, we're going over some things that very superficially, because I will go over them in more detail on September 2nd. So if you want, however, those of you who are very curious, I want you to know that the material is already available for you. So if you want to take a look at things and start doing some things, you can right now. If you don't want to do them right now and wait until the start of the classes, it's okay, there is time. So here you go. But here is our course outline. This is information on how you'll be graded during the semester, etc. I would ask you to wait to ask any questions during once classes begin, once business begins, right? But really, the information is here. So if you actually just want to read, you will probably answer most of your questions already here. Okay, so there you go. What I would like to say for those of you who want to know, what can I do right now for the class? Because I know I've gotten some questions, people asking me, oh, I had to buy this and that already for some of my classes. They reached out to us asking us to get some stuff ahead of the start of the semester. Do I need that for physics? Everything can be done once classes begin, but yes, there are a few things you can do right now if you wish to do so. So for labs, what you can do right now is to register and pay $10 to access this website called Pivot Interactives. Most of our labs will be done on this website. So you need to pay $10 to access the activities throughout the semester. It's a one-time payment. So for instance, this is the Pivot Interactive website right when you come in, and you're going to say join a class, and you're going to enter the class key. It's specific for your class, okay? So you need that, it's highlighted here. So you need to enter this class key, and this is also written, guys, in your course outline. So if you go your course outline here where it talks about laboratory, this first paragraph here exactly gives you the class key and is telling you specifics about how to access Pivot Interactives. So you join the class, you will ask your credit card information, $10, done. And then you're already going to have an activity. There's already an activity there that are assigned for you to practice, to play with, etc. You're not going to be graded for that, but you can just practice. Again, on September 14th, that's the day of our first lab, I will spend some time going over how to use Pivot Interactives with you, but there are things you can already play on your own and explore. It's a healthy habit. All right, so that's one thing you can do now, or you can wait and do after classes begin, no problem. But there is an example there, an activity there already available for you once you go in. What about lecture? Is there anything else I need to do? Well, concerning then the lecture, this is for labs. Concerning the lecture also, if you scroll down in your course outline, you understand that you have 25% of your grade at the end of the semester will be for homework assignments. And these homework assignments are done on this website called the Expert TA. So you will need to register and pay $32.50 to use Expert TA throughout the semester. There's already material there for you right now that will introduce you how to use Expert TA, what is available there for you. So you will register and pay. To register, you need to register, and there's no class key for Expert TA. The way to register is to enter in this special link. So you only need this special link once. And after you use this special link and you pay and you register, then next time you go in Expert TA, you just need to log in. Done. Just log in. But again, the information to this special link and etc. As you go in your course outline and you scroll down and you see this page 3 of your course outline where it talks about homework, you have that information there, how to log in and etc. And there's again further information about registration. Any question you have, probably it will be answered in lots of this information and links I posted there for you. I invite you to read through all of these, okay? Your textbook, by the way, is a free textbook. Everything else in this course is free. So those are the two things you can do. And there is a third thing you can start thinking about right now. If you don't have a webcam in your laptop, in your desktop at home, it would be good to invest in one. Because when do we need a webcam? We need webcams for the tests, okay? Do we need webcam every day in classes? Do I need to see you every day in classes? No, that's not a requirement at all. But for the tests will be monitored via a webcam. So I do need, this is non-negotiable, I need you to be using a webcam. And concerning the webcam for tests, if you don't have one, let's go back to our Blackboard page over here, okay? So here's a Blackboard page. I would like you to go to this link that says how-tos. So again, there are many, there's a lot of information here, and this video is not meant to go through all of this in detail because it would be enormous, but I invite you to take a look. And during the semester, I will take you to some of these. But many of these things are just there for resources for you to consult anytime you have a question. So for instance, even the registration and access of the XPRTA for homework or the Pivot Interactive for the labs that I was referring to you before, there is instruction here. But also, we were talking about the webcam, right? So if you go to the very last link there, that is install and use Respondus Lockdown Browser and Webcam. So you see there's time. Our first test is just September 28, but that's when we will be using the webcam. And also this software called Respondus Lockdown Browser is a browser. It's free, and there's all the instructions on how to do that. Why am I showing this now as I was talking about the webcam? Because there is a way for you to also use your cell phone camera as a webcam instead of a webcam during the test so that we can monitor what you're doing during the test as well. So here are some instructions here in yellow. However, it is preferred that you use a webcam. It's a lot easier if you use a webcam. So if you don't have a webcam, it's a good idea to send me an email. You can do that already. And I will investigate with the college whether the college can lend a webcam to the students who don't have one. Again, we have time. It's to September 28th, the first time we will really need, and this is mandatory. But send me an email if you don't have one, or I really think you should try to also invest in one if you don't have one, because you will need for not just for our class. So read through all this information, lots of how-tos. So before you ask any questions, consult before, check all these resources beforehand. If you do not have, if you're not acquainted with Blackboard in this environment, I invite you to go here, Suffolk Online Student Orientation, click here and go through. There's so many good tips and files and instruction here. Even for those of you who have been using Blackboard, they expanded the material, so it is useful. Our Blackboard page is divided in some general information over here and course outline, etc. At Suffolk, the course outline and the syllabus is sort of the same thing. It's the rules of the game. It's all the schedule, how you'll be graded and all. So when I call course outline, you can also kind of think of syllabus, because at Suffolk, we sort of use these two words almost interchangeably. Then you have here this section here that has the content materials for the class. So I'm going to click here, content, and you see a math review, content free for you to take a look. This is how you access our book, which is free, many different versions of our book, a list of equations, lecture slides, sample tests. This is a link as you go homework at XPRTA, it already takes you to XPRTA website, okay? So I just posted a link there as you'll be doing homeworks practically weekly. Tests, there's already a test for you to, it's not showing right now, but it's going to be showing by September 2nd. There's a mock test for you to already play and try, mock test. Extra credit, as you see, already put one of them available. There'll be extra credits. This is information about it. Labs. So here's the 10 labs we'll have this semester, right? Pivot Interactive. Many of them will be Pivot Interactive. A few of them will be outside, etc. This is where you're going to submit your lab report. So lab report 1, all the other lab reports will show up. So the first section here is about, say, lectures. The second section is about labs. This is how you access our classes. So what are you going to do on Monday September 2nd, Wednesday, September 2nd at 8 a.m. or actually even 15 minutes before 8 a.m. you can already access this. You will click here where it says live classes. So every day of our classes, this is what you're going to do. You enter Blackboard and you go here to this live classes. So enter, and you're inside our Blackboard Collaborate Alter environment. I already entered the sessions for all our labs and lectures through the semester. So once it is September 2nd, 8 a.m., you see that this link will be black available, just like the course room now here, it looks black and available. Instead of light gray, it will look black and available. So just like the course room, you click on it and there will be a link saying join the lecture. Here it says join the course room, but you're going to click here and join. And so as you join, you're going to see an environment very much like this. I will soon come in and we'll have a chat room, and then there's going to be a video. You'll see my screen and you're going to see the lecture. Okay? So that's what's going to happen for every lab in lecture. You need to come here in this live classes link and click on the respective lecture lab. Don't worry, it will be black. The one that you need to click in will be the one that will be black and available. Okay, the rest is for you here then to explore until we meet again. So happy readings, and see you on September 2nd.